G'day traders and welcome to Just Eminis Day Trading Made Easy. My name is George Borg and today is Tuesday the 29th of January 2013 in the Eminis S&P. The market's been slowly grinding up and it still will continue to do so in the next 2 or 3 trading days. Why is that? We need to reach our 15-11 targets. Before we get to these 11-15s, we are unfortunately going to be seeing these kind of markets that we've been seeing in January. Is it tradable? That's what I want to have a look at in today's video. So we'll have a look at that now. What do we got? Well, this is the pre-market. This was the pre-market between Monday and Tuesday. So what is this level? It's got an upside target here, the 1504s. Interestingly enough, I'll just squeeze over and we'll have a look at Monday's trading range. And if you have a look at the base of Monday, it made a very similar bottom. Most traders would assume that this is and looks like a double bottom. Well, technically it is. It's made a very clean bounce and it's made down to one tick. So what will confirm this move to the upside? Well, technically a break above these highs, and then you could continue up in here. What we are getting at the moment is a lot more, say 1 or 2 days worth of trading that is forcing a 10-point trade, and it's taking a very long time to grind up into these levels. So this particular setup here, as you can see, it was a Monday entry for a 1504 target. So it's taking a very long time, and it's obviously, as you can see, it's retraced back into these levels. They are giving us mixed signals, and to the best of our ability, we need to trade as cautiously as possible. So we'll have a look at that now. As we were going through into the opening hours of the market, we had some news coming up at 10. So what did that produce? This is one of the ones that we need to watch. Now, can we trade this? The more advanced traders in the room actually took this trade. It was a slightly aggressive setup, and it was quite tight at that. And unfortunately, with saying that, we're looking at a couple of different entries in this range. So what had happened was it had obviously spiked, and that's a stop run. That's a professional stop run, and it's pushed down to a particular level to take out stops. It's designed to do that, and we know that in the room, and this is what we have to watch as closely as possible. Our next setup, 1495.50. Was this another room trade? Not really, because we'd just seen something that we couldn't trust. Can we take the next setup? And this is where our advanced strategies do come in. This particular trade happened to make a nice entry. Now again, it's not a room trade. These are the setups that we are watching. Many members actually took this trade. It was a trade that would more than likely continue up, but again, it was untrustworthy at the time. During the afternoon, as you can see, it was grinding up very slowly. There was another setup. Again, it was just a visual. I don't think anybody took this setup, but it did trade, and it traded into 2 things there, the 1504s and the 1504.50s. So as you can see, this is taken, and as I've just shown you here, these 1504 targets had technically an entry that had been revisited again over the pre-market. How can we trust these? Unfortunately, up until we get to the 1511s, we're going to have issues, and we will continually see these stop runs, aggressive moves. Can we try and profit as best as we can? We've got 2 options. We either sit and wait till we take out a 1511s, and then we'll begin to trade you in normal mode, or we aggressively attack the market that we have been given to us at the moment. So there are a few different options. These are the trades that we look at in the trading room every single day in real time. You too can witness this with our $1 trial. What I will ask you to do, check out my website, justeminis.com. We've got a lot of great tips and tricks that you can trade with incorporating these particular models here. If you do appreciate this content, I've got Twitter and Facebook links down below. I really appreciate you clicking those buttons. And we hope you guys had a good day trading. More importantly, this is Just Eminis, Day Trading Made Easy. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye for now.